I'm Jack Callis, and I enjoy doing a lot of things.
What did you learn while working on the house construction project?
I learned a lot from it. Like I learned how to lay out walls, how to lay out flooring, ceilings, all that. I learned how to hit stuff with hammers, screw stuff into wood and stuff.
All right. What was something about this project that you really enjoyed?
I really enjoy the people that are in my class, and I really enjoy like talking to them and helping them solve problems in the class.
Okay. How do you see yourself using these skills in the future?
I took this course because I thought I wanted to do carpentry, but then I changed my mind, and I still really enjoy it, but I think it's going to be useful for me for when I actually buy a house.
What would you like people to know about this project? Is it important to the program?
I feel like, yeah, it's really important because you learn so many useful skills throughout the whole project, like how to use so many tools and how to like know what pieces of like wood or stuff you need.
My name is Vinny. It's my second year in the Building Trades program, and I'm a senior in high school. I learned pretty much everything because I didn't really know much about carpentry before I took the course, so I learned everything from framing to flooring, roofing, pretty much everything.
All right. What was something about this project that you really enjoyed?
I just enjoyed learning some new things. It's always cool to learn new things that you're going to use eventually. And the people, pretty cool people, cool teacher. And when you have a good group of people, it makes it a lot more enjoyable. In the future, I know I want to do a trade. I'm not sure what trade I want to use or do. So I feel like carpentry in general is just a good tool for pretty much any trade. And also when I get a house, I want to work on my house, so the carpentry comes into play there.
Okay. What would you like people to know about this project, and how is it important to the program?
It's important to the program because I feel like it's a good way to show everyone else that we've actually learned a lot in the class, because we're building a house and we're selling it to somebody, and it has to meet a certain like level in order for us to sell it, which kind of proves that we've actually learned a lot in the class.
Who are you?
I'm Liz. It's my second year in the Building Trades program, and I'm a senior.
Right. What did you learn while working on the house construction project?
I learned a lot from planning out flooring, reading blueprints, and like framing out walls and doing roofing.
Right. What was something about this project that you really enjoyed?
I really enjoyed watching the house come together, from starting at the very beginning, from laying out the floor to finally putting like the shingles on the roof. And it's a really good break from like the normal academic classes we have.
How do you see yourself using these skills in the future?
I feel like even if I don't go into the trade, knowing how to take care of a house and being able to work on things yourself without having to call for help is a good tool to have.
What would you like people to know about this project, and how is it important to the program?
I think it's very important to the program. It's kind of how we make all of our money in order to do further projects with the program.
Yeah.
And so doing this project is really fun for all of us because we get to see every step of building a house, and we get to keep the program going.
All right. Well, thank you for coming.
So the history of the house project, we've been doing houses for quite a few years, but this is our third house that we're taking on that is a turnkey package. So with working with National Homebuilders Association and Mark Patterson, who's a local contractor, we've been able to build 3 modular homes. This is our third one from start to finish, and we've been selling it as a turnkey package. It's been a great project for my students. They get the experience of building a stick-built home from the ground all the way to the finished product on the inside. They get to be part of the project here at school and as well on the job site when we get the house moved over and put back together. And they're responsible for putting it all back together and finishing it off so we can actually sell it. With it being a turnkey package, all the flooring is done, the rooms are painted, everything's done, kitchen cabinets, everything, and as well as the appliances in the kitchen. So somebody's able to buy it and move right in. Again,